Health insurance abroad. Comparing policies. When you are looking for a health insurance abroad, it makes sense to shop around. This is particularly true in the current economic climate, when so many are forced to reassess their expenditure and make savings wherever possible. Even if your employer arranges international medical cover for you, it is advisable to know your options within the scope of your employer's policy. Not having the right health insurance cover for you and your family could result in a medical bill that reaches into the thousands. Here are some areas you can compare to get not only the right price, but also the cover and service you want too. Reputation. Many well-known insurance companies provide international health coverage, but first check the reputation of any company you are looking to purchase an insurance policy from, particularly if you are overseas and unfamiliar with providers. Invest the time to read testimonials about insurance companies and their policies. Feedback from current clients or those who have used the company is a great starting point for comparisons. Level of health insurance cover. Consider the level of insurance cover you need or desire, and the different health insurance services you are sure to use during your time overseas. Companies offer international medical cover that ranges from basic through to comprehensive coverage. There is a wide range of policies available on the market, so check thoroughly what elements of healthcare are included in any particular policy package. Basic policies. These usually provide payment for a limited range of healthcare services like visits to a GP, basic inpatient services, and emergency treatment. Some companies offer maternity care as a part of the basic health policy, whereas other companies provide this only within a supplementary policy. Be sure to check the details if this is an appropriate area of healthcare provision for you. Supplemental policies. As an addition to the basic policy, many companies offer the choice of an add-on, which stretches the level of healthcare covered under your medical insurance. An add-on policy may include services such as repatriation for medical treatment, outpatient services, physiotherapy, basic dentistry cover, contact lenses or prescription lenses for glasses, alternative therapies, prescriptions, maternity care, and an element of cover for any medical treatment needed whilst traveling. Comprehensive cover. Such a policy varies greatly between locations and providers, but it is safe to say that the range of health services included in a comprehensive policy is considerably wider than the basic insurance policy, usually including health services such as comprehensive dentist coverage, dietary advice, and wellness treatments. Additional considerations. 1. Check whether the health insurance policy covers you in all locations. If you are a frequent business traveler, check that you are covered for vaccinations and medical treatment whilst outside your place of residence, including additional costs you may incur for accommodation and travel. 2. A policy will cover hospitalization costs, but check the details to ascertain the exact cost the insurance companies will reimburse a semi-private or private hospital room or a standard ward. 3. Some health provisions have a maximum reimbursement level, example, maternity care, which can vary considerably between companies. Therefore, this is a useful area of comparison between providers. 4. Exclusions also require attention. Most companies do not cover costs associated with pre-existing conditions, but the terms and conditions around this clause do vary. In addition, check what health services are not included in a policy. Common exclusions are non-essential cosmetic surgery, experimental treatment, or treatment for self-inflicted injuries, as well as costs in excess of reasonable rates. 5. Compare the period of time you have after a medical incident to send claims to the insurer. After this period, claims will become invalid. You can start now by reviewing the major expat medical insurance providers and contacting them directly for any inquiries you may have on www.expatfinder.com. Basic policies usually carry a standard charge, but companies more often than not calculate the premiums associated with supplementary or comprehensive based on an individual situation, such as age, location, and the excess chosen. When you are comparing health insurance abroad quotes, make sure you are comparing similar services and that you do not have to base your decision solely on the cheapest premiums. Excluding health services from your policy to save money now may work out far more costly in the future. Compare the major providers Bupa Healthcare, Clements International, and more, or request a free quote from an independent broker to help you compare the market and find the most cost-effective solution. Visit www.expatfinder.com.